Welcome back. My name is Ahmed from Radionics. This is the second lecture in the third section of our course, How to Use VI Like a Pro. In this lecture, we are continuing our advanced navigation in VI, and here we're going to see how to move inside the same line easily in VI. We used before some basic commands like, if you remember, the 0 was used to navigate to the beginning of the line, and the $sign was used to move to the end of the line. But what if the beginning of the line is not a character? For example, it's a space. And of course, sometimes this is no useful if you want to move to the beginning of the line. If it's a space, you want to move to the first readable character of the line. In this case, you will use this sign. Okay, it can be achieved by pressing on Shift 6 on your keyboard. So let's have a look at our file. For example, if you are in this line, okay, let's move forward in this line. And of course, if I use the 0, I am at the start of the line, but let's add some spaces to this line. Okay, and let's move forward again and then press 0. Okay, I am at the end of the line. But if I want to be at the letter S, this is the first editable or the first readable character of the file of the line. So I'm gonna press this symbol. Okay, and as you can see, the cursor has jumped to the first character of the line, which is non-blank, meaning that it's not a space, it's a readable character. Now, if you're used to programming, especially programs like JavaScript, you will often find that when you run into an error, the browser or the client of your program or the debugger, whatever it was, sometimes tells you that you have an error in line number, for example, 5, character number 16. Okay, it's sometimes it's accurate enough to tell you the exact character where the error is occurring. So we learned before that to move to a specific line number, we use the G. So let's say we are in line 58G. Okay, 58 is blank, so it's 59G as we were. And let's say the error, the debugger said that the error is at the character number 16. So how do we access character 16? We just press 16 followed by the pipe. Okay, and okay, let's choose another line, 61 for example, and 16 pipe. Okay, so as you can see, the cursor has just jumped to the 16th character of the line. Okay, this can become very handy when you want to debug errors, as we said, in programming like JavaScript or any other programming language, that the debugger is providing you with the specific character and the specific line number where the error occurred. Then we have another advanced navigation command, which is we want to move to the second or the next sentence in the file. Okay, so I'm gonna press this. It's the bracket, the left bracket, to move to the beginning of the last sentence, and this one to move to the beginning of the second or the next sentence. Okay, I'm moving here to the second sentence and back and forth in the sentence. But wait a minute, what is a sentence in VI? How does VI consider a sentence to be a sentence? Well, in VI, a sentence is any block of text that is ending in a period, like this one. Sorry. So this is a period at the end of the line, so this is considered a sentence. Okay, or let's change this to be an exclamation mark and move to the start of the line, and yes, it has skipped this sentence and got to the first character in the second sentence because it's considered this string of text because it's ending in an exclamation mark to be a sentence. The same holds for the question mark, okay, but not for other characters, like for example this. Okay, if I tried this, okay, as you can see, it did not consider this to be a separate sentence. It considered this to be part of this large sentence, and it moved to the first occurrence of the dot or the period, and it considered this to be the end of the current sentence and moved the cursor to the first character of the second sentence. So you have to remember this by heart, is that VI considered a sentence to be ending in either a dot followed by a space, or a dollar or a exclamation mark, or a question mark. These are the characters that VI considers the end of a sentence. Okay, so what about a paragraph? Let's say we want to move to the next paragraph. This moves me to the next paragraph. This curly brace that is situated to the looking to the right. Okay, I'm moving here forward to the next paragraph, and the opposite of it is the previous character, the previous paragraph. But what is a paragraph in VI? Well, a paragraph in VI is any block of text ending in either a line break or that is followed by a blank line. So as you can see here, I have chosen a piece of text that has a lot of blank lines between its paragraphs to demonstrate this type of movement. So whenever I'm pressing this symbol, I am moving forward, and the opposite of it will make me move backward inside the text file. And again, you can precede these with numbers in order to specify how many times it's going to execute. So I can move 2 paragraphs forward like this. Okay, I can move 3 paragraphs backward like this. Okay, or if I'm here, I can move by sentence like this. Okay, this, and so on. Now let's have a look at an interesting piece of convenience VI provides us, which is the search. And if you have a large text file, you'll be very thankful that VI provides this powerful search functionality. We will here examine just the basic search mechanism of VI, which is related to how to move by search, but later on you will learn that search is very, very powerful in VI, maybe more than most other text editors. But it's suffice now to say that a search is done by pressing this character, and this character is one of the characters or one of the commands that will display the command here at the bottom of the file. If you have a look here at the bottom of the VI file, it's being displayed here, and you can write whatever you want to search for. So let's say we are searching for the word say, and we press enter. If you notice here, the cursor has jumped to the first occurrence of the word say in the document. Okay, what if we want to move by this word? What if we want to see all the occurrences of the word say in the current document? I'm gonna press N. Okay, and another N. We are moving by the word say. Here is our cursor. And again, so this is how you search by word in VI. And if you want to search backwards, all you have to do is press the inverse, which is the capital N. The capital N will let you move backwards. Okay. I'm just moving the cursor back and forth so that you can see where it is. It's here. Okay. And you can continue this until you reach the top of the document, or it will some versions of VI will automatically recycle and start searching from the bottom. Others will tell you just that you have reached the bottom of the file or you have reached the top of the file. Okay, and the search functionality in VI can accept most of the characters that you will use in a search. For example, it accepts a space. For example, when we can say an offer. Okay, and it found this string and offer. You have specified a space in your search pattern, so it will not just match the and, but it will match an and followed by a space and then offer. And as you can see here in the status at the bottom of the file, it says search hit the bottom, continuing at top, because there is no other occurrences of an offer in the whole file, so it will not recycle and search back because there is nothing back. So it told you that it searched, it hit the bottom and continued at the top and only found one occurrence of your search pattern. And you have to note that when we search in a file using this technique, you are searching from your place forward. Okay, so as I said, in some versions of VI, you are not allowed to cycle the search. So in some versions of VI, if you reach the bottom of the page or of the document, it's gonna tell you that you reached the bottom, and in order to search for the top, on the top you have to, for example, go to the first line and start searching. For example, principal. Okay,